So here we are in Riverlands, 23 days after the flood. We've just come out to check how the pigs are doing. Thankfully it's beautiful weather, the sun is shining, which really makes everything look so much brighter.
You wanting to take a picture? Okay. Come. On Monday if we come back and the pigs have got fresh water and they're clean and the dogs are out of the cage, we're going to bring you a pair of boots. Okay? It's nice. It's nice? Yeah. Fantastic. Thank you.
And here the dogs were stuck in a cage while Charles was working. He wanted them out of the way. Previously they'd all been loose. I think what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and get all of these dogs sterilized. We don't want any more babies. It's amazing how sunshine makes such a difference. And our piglets are doing well, which is nice to see. And we're going to get some warm bedding in here before the end of the day. Unfortunately, the roof collapsed off the weekend, but the pigs still do need shade. Here are Patrick, who have arrived with all the food.
Yeah.
The lady with the knife is one of our supporters who's come out to help us today.
I want to give some to
The other side as well, yes, they need, those pigs are very thin, Patrick.
And without further ado, Patrick and Jameson get started to get those pigs fed. And they're having a wonderful time out in the sun.
Patrick, they know you.
Here's quite a sad story. And when the sun shines, there's even time for a joke.
Found the 9.
Yay!
They're missing 9.
Thanks to everybody who's donated to us.
And of course, we meet Peter again.
Dat is nog 10 jaar. Als het gaat gebeuren.
Okay. Ek het nou gesien
Je
al
kan
was
hele mijn harten van vreugde en blijdschap.
And then it was on to Marsbury to go and get some dry bedding for the animals.
Everybody gets their 15 minutes of fame.
Ja, they do get the 15 minutes. I think this is mine now.
This is your 15 minutes of fame.
Delivered here. In the interim, Jameson was feeding those very hungry pigs that we saw in the beginning, making sure they had water. And then Jameson went on to pick up the owner of the pigs, who had been displaced and was living at the Love Church. She wanted to have a word with her, and we wanted to discuss with her a way forward.
I know. Hy sê die krag is nou af. Hy het die water vanoggend gepomp. Ons behoort nie probleme daar te hê terwyl ons is waar. Ons het water op ons weg.
We're going to have to take on this project as well. I think the animals need some help here. The conditions aren't that great. The pigs aren't in such a bad state. They're clean, they're dry. So on Monday we'll be back and we'll discuss how we can help the owners here. And the day wasn't without its lighter moments, especially when the chairlady stepped into pig poop, which nearly reached the top of her wellies.
Ik lach mij klaar, onthou niet. Ik ga het lekker lachen. Als ze hier in liggen, ik mij lekker lachen.
Dat is van mij lachen.
And we'll end with a very happy moment.
Ja.
Sinze het met die eerste vloed het Sinze by my huis rondgedraai, want daar was toen niks meer, want hy is oor die maar 7 dae gebly en sy het weggehardloop van my. Sy was baie traumatized. En ek het haar kos neergesit en so, en met die tweede vloed toe raak sy heeltemal weg. En vandag, môre is hulle 2 weke wees wat Ginger weggewees het en ek het vir haar vandag gekry en ek is baie bly om my
Thank you to everybody who's standing with us in this disaster area. We very much appreciate it.